x cube, yung y muna, y equals to x cube plus 4x squared, then plus 4x over 4x squared minus 5. So divide lang natin guys, ay joke lang. Divide ginamitan ng synthetic, baliw na ako guys. Ang alin itong pinakita, ito ba given ba to? Ito yung derive ba? Hindi ko to alam eh. Naka 3x plus 4 squared eh. Expand ko yan. Ito yung derive. Hindi gamitan mo siya ng times naman siya, diba? Product rule. Anyways, ito lang tayo muna. Ito quotient. So basically guys, dito basic. Ganun. Hindi. So, meron tayong y equals to x cubed plus 4x squared, then plus 4x over 4x squared minus 5. Nandito naman si idol eh. So, kunin natin yung u tsaka v. So, yung u natin guys, lagay natin dito. Yung numerator lang naman yun. Sulat ko pa. Basta numerator yun. Sige na, sulat ko na nga. Baka may i-report nyo ako eh. 4x squared plus 4x, then yung u prime, derive mo lang to. Kaya mo ng u prime, hindi du, pero u prime ginagamit ko eh. Tsaka wala kayong magagawa kung nagsusulat. So magiging 3x squared to plus 8x plus 4. Samantalang u tsaka u prime, then yung v natin, yung denominator, that is 4x squared minus 5, then yung v prime, that is 8x, then yung constant, edi 0 yun, di 8x na lang. Then remember yung formula ng quotient, that is bu prime minus uv prime all over v squared. So memorize mo lang yan actually. So para lang siyang b du minus u dv all over v squared. Basta yung u prime guys, same lang siya ng du, then yung v prime dv, kung ngayon yung ginagamit nyo. Or para mas madali siya, VUUB, basta yung dulo niya guys naka-prime, then minus, then v squared. Nasa sa'yo na yan, paano man iti-take ay, so yung v natin guys, that is 4x squared minus 5, 4x squared minus 5. Lodi daw, lodi, ay. Then yung u prime natin, that is 3x squared plus 8x plus 4, then minus yung u, dami naman na ito guys, 2x cube plus 4x squared plus 4x, then yung u b prime, that is 8x all over yung v natin, that is 4x squared minus 5, pero naka squared. Hello, hi. Joke lang. So, ngayon guys, magkakaroon tayo na ito guys. Distribute lang natin. So, ano ba yung 4x squared times 3x squared? So, 4 times 3 magiging 12. Then, x squared times x squared magiging x raised to 4. So, pag nagmamultiply tayo ng variables, ina-add natin exponent. So, 4x squared times 8x, distributive ba? So, 4 times 8 is 32. So, plus 32. Then, x squared times x cubed. 4x squared times 4 magiging 16x squared yan. Gets natin yun, basic multiplication eh. Tapos negative, kung kasama yung sign na yung katabi, so negative 5 times 3x squared, that is negative 15x squared. Then negative 5 times 8x, that is negative 40x. Then negative 5 times positive 4, that is negative 20. Then yung minus natin, copy lang natin yung negative and distribute natin daw. So 8x times x raised to 3 or x cube, may 8x raised to 4 yan. Then ito rin ganun din. So magiging plus 32x cube. Then ito naman magiging 32x squared. Kasya yan, nagkasya na yan guys. Basta sinabi ko naman 32x squared yan. Yan, gets yan. Then distribute natin yung sign neto. Pero meron ba't pwede combine terms? Combine like terms na natin dito para lumiit. All over pa guys, nakalimutan. Sasabihin nyo na naman, di ko nilagay. Yan. Sabihin na naman yun ni Matinto Siyas eh. So meron tayong equals dito guys. So itong numerator natin, simplify na natin to dito para lumiit yung given. So meron tayong x squared, so combine lang natin to. So copy lang natin yung 12x raised to 4 plus 32x cube. Eto guys, pag inad natin to guys, ano yung 16x squared minus 15x squared? Ang hirap. So plus x squared na lang yan, minus 40x minus 20. So distribute natin yung sign na ito. So ibig sabihin magkapalit lang to lahat. So magiging negative 8x raised to 4 kasi negative times positive. Yung gets na natin yun. Huwag na kayo magmaang-maangan dyan. Alam kong alam nyo na yan. So ayan na siya guys. Then all over. Ito guys, expand to ni Sian eh. O dali na Sian, expand mo na siya. Kung nakaisip eh. Then ito na guys. Combine natin yung may mga terms na parehas. So ito guys, yung 12x raised to 4 tsaka itong may raised to 4, pag inad natin yan or sinubtract, add na lang. Ang hirap naman. Magiging 4x raised to 4 yan. May cube dito, tsaka cube dito. Uy, parehas pala sila guys. So, eliminate na natin yan. Babay na guys, babay na. Then, meron tayo dito pang squared. So, meron tayong x squared dito. Tsaka negative 32. So, magiging negative 31 yan. X squared. Then, meron tayong x, negative 40. X. Then, yung constant na negative 20. All over yung etong 4x squared minus 5 na naka-squared. So, kung gusto mo to expand guys, pwede mong gawin. Pero ayoko eh. Wala kayo dyan. So, ito na yung magiging y prime natin. Ayun na yan. Pero kung gusto mo expand, gawin mo. Next,